Hi, I'm Eleanor. I'm going to show you quick how to make really good vegan nut cheese. These are my cashews. I've been soaking them overnight. It's about 2 cups. I'm not going to do anything with measurements to show you how easy it can be and just to taste. You don't want to soak it any longer than overnight because they get kind of funky, but so you want to make sure that every time you use them, you're just soaking them the night before and letting them no more than 24 hours to get soft because they're going to blend into the cheese. You can also make a really good dry cashew cheese as well, which is going to be a similar recipe to this. Just it's dry, but basically the same seasonings. You can just put it in a food processor and get it crumbly like a Parmesan topping. So the main components to making this so creamy is going to be the nuts and the coconut oil. So I'm just going to add a good amount of coconut oil, just kind of topping all the nuts, and then we're gonna blend it up and see how the consistency is after that. And you can play around if you want it to be more of a spread. You can add like a nut milk if you want it to be thicker. You don't want to add too much liquid. And I'm just going to blend this up, and then I'll add the seasonings once I like the consistency. It's looking pretty good. So now I'm just gonna add some seasonings, and it's gonna thicken up too even more after I add these things because they're powdery. So I'm gonna put a lot of nutritional yeast. This really makes it taste like cheese. Probably at least a half a cup I'm putting in here, and I might put in more later to taste. Some onion powder, some garlic powder, and then just some salt. If you want it to look more orange, if you're going for more of a cheesy look, you can add some beta carotene tablets or maybe some turmeric, but I'm just gonna let it be white today. Some pepper. I'm just gonna put like a little splash of almond milk just to help these seasonings kind of, whoa, Jesus, weird there, mix in. There you go. Taste test it. Make sure it. Yum. Vegan cheese. You can put it on toast. on spreads, bring it to a party. Good to go. Thanks for watching.